Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness more like you every day. Amen. Okay, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Money. Okay. So last class we studied algebra. Okay, and we studied about equality and inequality. Okay, now today we are going to start with unit 5, that is money. Okay, so you all know what money is. Okay, so page number 34, take a textbook, page number 34. Okay, we have already learnt about the conversions of money into interconcept chapter, okay, in the previous term. Let us try to fill in the followings. Okay, so we already know something about money and how to convert it also. Conversions also we know. So we know 1 rupee is 100 paise. 1 rupee is 100 paise. Then 5 rupee is how many paise? 1 rupee 100 paise means 5 rupees is 5 into 100. 5 into 100, that is 500. So 5 rupees is 500 paise. Okay, so 1 rupee is 100 paise. Then 5 rupee is 500 paise. 6 rupee 600 paise. 7 rupee 700 paise. 2 rupee 200 paise. Okay, then 775 paise is equal to 7.75 rupees. 7 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so this they have kept dot after 2 digit. Okay, so 425 paise is equal to 4 rupee 25 paise. 4 rupee 25 paise. This is how this conversion is doing. Na? We know 1 rupee is 100 paise. 1 rupee is 100 paise. So 425. How many paise? So we are going to convert paise into rupee. So divide by 100. Divide by 100. So if you divide 425 by 100, 4 times 400. Remainder will be 25. Okay. This 4 rupee it is there, and this 25 they kept a dot and written 25. Okay, this is how we will write. Okay, so now we are going to see about addition and subtraction using money. So it is also like a normal addition and subtraction. Okay, so we shall see one by one now. Okay, yes, see this example. Arun bought a TV, a washing machine and a bike at a cost of rupees 12,500, 14,999 and 75,000 respectively. Find the total amount Arun spent. Okay, so he is buying TV for 12,500, washing machine for 14,999 and a bike for 75,000. They are asking to total amount spent. Total amount means what we have to do? We have to add. So cost of the TV, cost of the washing machine, cost of the bike, they all together if we add, we were getting the total amount. Okay, yes, see this sum. Find the total amount by adding the amounts. All these amounts we are going to add. Okay, so adding here paise also there. Okay, so when we are adding, when we are adding, we have to remember every time we have to write from the last digit. Okay, so write rupee paise on the top. So first number is 7,678.75 paise. So we are going to write from paise 5, 7, 8, 7, 6, 7. Like that we have to write. Then next number is, we are going to write from the paise 0, 5, 5, 7, 8, 0, 5. And the next number 0, 5, 1, 7, 0, 4. If we write from the paise only if we can get the correct digits, okay, correct units, okay. Then say 5 7 5 7 6, then we are going to add everything and we are going to do. This is a normal addition, okay. Yes, yes. Now we shall do the book exercise. This activity is a homework for you. So match the big bag with small bag. So here the big bag amount is 50 rupees. So if you want to match it, so if they are split out, 32 rupees plus 16 rupees plus 2 rupees is total is, you will get 50 rupees. Like that 73 rupees. So which one is correct? Like that you find out and tell me the answer, okay. Next we shall do the book exercise 5.1, okay. Exercise 5.1. So first one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, yes, first sum will do rupees 35.50 plus rupees 4.50. We are going to add it, okay. So first we will write rupee paise, okay. Now we are going to write the numbers. So first number is this one, writing from paise 0.553, okay. The next number is 0.5.4. Here there is no number, so you can leave it empty or you can even fill it with the 0 also, okay. So now we are going to add it. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry, okay. 4 plus 5 plus 1, again 10. 0, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is rupees 40. Here there is no paise, 0 only, so there is no paise. The answer is rupees 40, okay. Like that this only you will add, okay. The next sum will do. Next we will do the subtraction, okay. Fourth one I am doing. Fourth one, rupees 75.50 minus rupees 30.25. So now we are going to subtract. Top you write rupee paise, start from the last paise 0.557. Every time you have to write the number only from the units place, okay. Then only you will write it in a correct manner. Then 5 2.03. Now we are going to subtract it. Subtract. So 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so borrow. This will become 4 and this will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 3, it is 4. So the answer is for rupees 45.25. Okay, this is how you will do the subtraction. See, normal subtraction only. Instead you will write, what you will write? Paise, rupee and paise. Okay, then match the following. Match the following. So we are going to add it and we are going to find the answer, okay. So 950.50 plus 350, how much? It is 1300.50. Okay, this you can do it and see. Now I am telling only the answer. So 8000 rupees minus 3500, it is 4500. This you can do it and see, okay. Then 50 rupees 75 paise plus 40 rupees 50 paise is 91 rupees 25 paise. And rupees 750 minus rupees 350.50 is rupees 399.50. Okay, yes. Now addition. Addition, add the following. We can do it now, okay. Any one sum will do. You try out the next sum. So I will do the second sum, okay. So rupee paise. So second sum I am going to do, every time write from the units place. So 0, 5, 0.3692. Okay, next one 05.57659. Okay, next one 05.3794. Here there is no digits. What we are going to do? We can add 0. Now we are going to add it. Add 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5, 1 carry. Now 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2, 1 carry. Okay. Fine. Now 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 1, 2 carry. Okay. Now 9 plus 6. What is 9 plus 6? 15. Yes, 15. 15 plus 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 4, 2 carry. Okay. Now 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 0, 2 carry. Okay. Now 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, it is 13. 13. So the answer is rupees 130412.50. Okay. So it is 1,30,412 rupees point 50 paise. Okay. This is how you will do the addition. Okay. Now we shall move on to subtraction. So subtract any one sum we shall do the third sum. Okay. Subtract. First you write rupees paise. Okay. So here there is no rupee, no paise, but there next one there is paise. So we will put simply 2 zeros. There is no paise. Okay. So 9, 8, 6, 9, 4. Okay. The next one is 0, 5.2643. Now we are going to subtract. Okay. So how to subtract? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so borrow. This will become 8 and this will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 2, it is 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Then 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer is rupees 16226.50. Okay. So 16,226.50, 50 paise. Okay. This is how you will. Simple normal addition subtraction only, but writing the numbers you should be very careful while writing the numbers. Okay. Okay, fine. Next we will see the problem solve. Arun purchased gold chain in different weight in a jewelry shop. What he purchased? Gold coins. Okay. The price of the gold coins were, all these are price of the gold coins. Find the total price. Total price means we are going to find the total of all the gold coins. Okay. So how will you find the total? So first coin is rupees paise. First coin amount is second coin amount is 0.08996.2. The third coin, it is 5.9853. Now they have asked to find the total price. Total means we are going to add all these. Okay, 5 plus 0 plus 5, 0, it is 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 2, 1 carry. Okay, so 9 plus 8, it is 17. 17 plus 5, 22 plus 1, 23. 3, 2 carry. Okay, so again 8 plus 9, it is what? 8 plus 9? 17. 17 plus 6. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 2, 24, 25. 5 to carry. Okay. Again 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 9, 14 plus 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 plus 2, 24, 25. Again 25. 5 to carry. Okay. Then again 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, it is 17. 17 plus 2, 19. Yes, 9, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is rupees 49,553.25 paise. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, this is how you will do the sums. Okay, next sum. In a textile shop, father, mother, son and daughter were purchasing clothes. The price of their clothes were, all these the price of the clothes. Find the total cost. Total cost means what you will find? You will add all these number and you will find the total cost. Okay, next one. A farmer wanted to buy a tractor. The price of the tractor was this much. Okay, but he had only this much amount. How much more amount was required to buy the tractor? So the cost of the tractor is this thing, 6,72,598. But the farmer has only 2,86,760. So how much money more you want to buy the tractor? Means what you will find? You will do, you will subtract this 6,72,598 minus 2,86,760. Okay, this sum we will do. Okay, so cost of tractor, how much? It is 6,72,598 paise. There is no paise. Okay, say then farmer has how much? 2,86,760. Okay, now we are going to subtract 0, 0, 8, 3. This will become 1 for 8. Again this will become 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 will come. Again borrow. Yes, 6 is there, here 8. So we have to borrow. This will become 5. And 16 minus 8, it is 8. 5 minus 2, it is 3. So he needs 3,85,000 in order to buy the tractor. Okay, this is how you will find. Okay. The next sum is, a man had rupees 17,246 in a saving account. Yeah, if he had taken this much amount to pay house rent, how much amount was left? So total amount is this much. In that total amount he has taken 8,891. So how much is left means you have to subtract these two numbers and you will get the answer. Okay, this is how you will find. Simple addition and subtraction only. I think you would have understood it better. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Zoom class. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.